Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2125, that is number of laser beams in a bank. And in this we are having an anti-theft security devices are activated inside a bank, and we'll be given a zero indexed binary string array, bank representing the floor plan of the bank, and which is a m into n 2D matrix, where bank I represents the ith row consisting of zeros and ones. Zeros means that the cell is empty, while one means that the cell has a security device. And there is one laser beam between any two security devices if both conditions are met. Okay, so we the conditions are the two devices are located on two different rows, r1 and r2, where r1 is less than r2, and for each row I where r1 less than I or less than r2, there are no security devices in the ith row. Okay, and laser beams are independent, that is one laser beam does not interfere or join with another, and we have to return the total number of laser beams in the bank. So in the first example we are having, this is our matrix, and this laser beam is going to this laser beam and this security device and this security device. Similarly, this is going to this and this again. The third security device is providing laser beams to these and these. But now for this row, this particular row, that is third row, we are having two security devices which are providing one laser beam to the laser device that is present in the fourth row. So total number of beams are 8. We can count also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then 8. Okay, but in that second example we are having all the laser beams in a single row only, so they are not providing any uh, beam to the other cells. Okay, so that's why our answer is 0. Okay, so now let's move towards the coding part for this, and let's have the count for the previous laser beam, that how many security devices are present in the previous row, and the answer variable, let's initialize it 0. Okay, so now let's okay, sorry, I'm still ran that I was obviously it would give me a error. Okay, so yeah, answer equal to 0, and then let's travel in the string, that first string row in bank, then for, okay, let's first have a count variable, that how many security devices are present in the particular row. For then int I equal to 0, I less than row dot length, and then I plus plus, and here we'll be checking that if row dot char at I is equal to 1, then what we'll be doing, we'll be updating our count variable, count plus plus. Okay, and by now we have updated that how many security devices are present in the particular row. Then we will be checking that if my count is greater than 0, then what I'll be doing, I'll be adding answer, these two answer will be equal to my number of uh, rows, a number of security devices in the previous row whenever I have encountered, into the count, because we can see in the example clearly that this laser beam is providing laser to this security device is providing laser beam to this and this. So in total, by now we are having six lasers, and when we'll be checking for this, it will be having two lasers, because in the previous row there were two and the count in the current row is 1, so 2 into 1, and we'll be adding that to the answer, and then we'll be making our previous equal to count. Okay, so at the end let's just return answer. Okay, return answer. Okay, so now let's run it again, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and yeah, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so yeah, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.